I'm Gerhard Latka from Crofters Food. We're the leading manufacturer of fruit spreads, preserves in North America, and we are the largest brand in the natural food trade in the United States and Canada. One of the key requirements is food safety and also traceability. Traceability for us is the key. We are tracking every lot number for our incoming raw materials to the jar, to the case, and then later on to store shelf. And we have now actually invested also in a new system to verify through a QR code whether the product may be affected by a recall or not. I have worked with Mettler Toledo on the global food safety aspect.
Hi, my name is Davor Đukić. I'm National Sales Manager from Mettler Toledo.
Since day one, when we started the new plant up, Mettler Toledo was always one of the leading companies supplying us. We were very happy with the endurance of the equipment. With Mettler Toledo, we have put camera systems on our labelers.
The latest addition that we have added to Crofters Foods is our CI Vision system V2630. What we are looking here is Mettler Toledo CI Vision inspection system. On this system we have present 3 cameras which are inspecting different points on the products. Over here you can see we are inspecting dot printed expiry date. If we change the screen, we can see that we can inspect at the same time the barcode. In this case is 1D barcode, but as well human readable portion of the 1D barcode. On the 3rd camera we are inspecting the front of the label, where we are making sure that the right label is applied to the right product.
This vision equipment is actually taking a picture of every jar going by.
We have actually 2 camera systems here. One is for the front label, one is for the back label. The flashlights will give the label a perfect illumination that we can take a sharp photo.
So we have 2 labelers. One is called the E40 Langoose. It's an inline labeler. It would put a full wrap paper label on the jar. And then we have another labeler which is an E65 Langoose, which is actually a pressure sensitive labeler. It's a rotary labeler and it puts a front and the back label on the jar. Domino is one of the world leaders in printing case labels on the fly basically. So to get through right straight to the consumer, we are actually printing a black box on the back label, and then we have a very, very strong laser inside the labeling machine, and this laser can actually burn within 60 milliseconds. So every consumer who has a concern about our product or wants to know more about our products can use his iPhone, scan the QR code off that batch.
This QR code is specific for the lot number of the batch we are running. This gives us 100% traceability down to the consumer. So this is the station where we have installed our Domino laser, and it's burning the QR code at around a line speed of 240 per minute.
Once the laser has printed the QR code, we can put an additional camera on this E65 labeler.
We have 2 strobe lights on this system in order to make sure that we have enough vision to detect the lot code which is on the side of the cap. This is also telling you what the best before date for our product is.
It's always tricky to integrate equipment into the Langoose labeler because it's typically not Mettler Toledo working with Langoose, it's Mettler Toledo working with Crofters. And it has been a great process to work with their engineers and designers to integrate these cameras into the labeler where it made sense to put them. We actually invested also in other Mettler Toledo equipment. We have a Mettler Toledo check weigher. Every unit which is going through the conveying line gets weighed against the fill weight which we are declaring. The key puzzle in this whole thing is continuous improvement. And if you're a global food safety company, then you always will look at the continuous improvement which is possible, and it's possible through technology, and technology is developed by companies like Mettler Toledo or Domino. Perhaps a special thanks to Colin Wishart. He was on the side of Mettler Toledo. He has given us all the attention, and believe me, you gotta be patient with Gerhard. Thank you, Mettler Toledo.